My name's Stephen Neal, and I own Paradise Auto Wash in Cape Coral, Florida. At this location, I have 3 self-service bays and 1 automatic rollover. Behind me is a Mark VII Soft Wash XT, brand new, just installed 6 months ago. On average, I'm right around 60 cars through this automatic alone. With this Mark VII soft wash and their chemicals, to me, it's about putting out a finished product that is above all the other car washes around. With the Shine Tex and Foam Tex coming out of this, automatic rollover, it's comparable to an express wash or a full service wash. And that's what's important to me. And I think that's what's important to the customers. My experience with Mark VII has been great. They're fantastic from the purchase, working with Steve Collins on purchasing this soft wash, to having it installed. The install was amazing. I couldn't believe that they got all of this done in 10 days and we were back up and running. And then from there on out, their service has been amazing, very quick to come out. Not a lot of times because it hasn't really given me too many problems. I think having a Mark VII car wash will set me up for success moving forward. One of the biggest reasons is, from my experience so far with this machine, it hasn't messed up a lot. The less downtime you have, the more money you make. And on top of that, there's service. If you call and you're down and you're a P1, they come in under 6 hours. Whether it's a Saturday or a Sunday or a Tuesday, they're there and they're getting you back up and running. And that's the most important part, is having it running all the time. If I had to describe Mark VII in 3 words, it would be quality, friendly, professional.